Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet shell headband. This is the top part, and then you'll have your ties that you can secure in the back after you place it over your head, behind your ears. I made it with medium worsted yarn and F hook. If you do want to make these shells smaller, you can go down on your hook size or also go up on your hook size. The pattern is down below. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link for that down below. And if you're a beginner, there's a beginner stitches playlist. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and do a chain count of 50 to start. These are the tails of your headband. So just yarn over and pull through until you have 50 all together. If you want these tails to be longer, you can make them longer, of course. So do this until you have 50 all together. Okay, so you have your chain of 50. Now you're going to go into the second chain from the hook and create a slip stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, grab the yarn, and then pull it through the loop. You're going to do slip stitches all the way up until your last chain. So continue this on. And as soon as you finish your slip stitches, then I'll start with the shell of the headband. Okay, work that all the way up. Okay, so you have your tie here. This will go on the back where you just tie it in the back for your headband. You can tie it a couple of times so you can secure it or just tie it once. Now this is the shell part of the headband. You're going to chain 3. And then in that same stitch, you're going to work 6 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Continue on for 5 more double crochet. And then you're going to chain 3, and then in the same stitch you're going to slip stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, you have the shell, and then you're going to chain 3, and then you have your chain 3. You're going to turn your work, and then in this space here you're going to work 6 double crochet and then the chain 3. So work your 6 double crochet. So you have your 6 all together, and then you're going to chain 3 and then slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 3, then turn, and then in this space work 6 double crochet again. This is all repeat now. Okay, you have all 6 all together. You're going to chain 3, slip stitch into that space, chain 3, and turn. So I made 25 of these shells. So here's 1, 2, 3. I'm about to make 4. You can make more or less shells depending on how wide and how long you would like this. This is all repeat, and then after this you can do your tie at the end. And then chain 3. And then chain 3 and turn. And then just repeat again your 6 double crochet. And then chain 3 and slip stitch, and then chain 3 and turn. Okay, it's going to look like this. You just go back and forth and keep repeating, and then when you're done you'll have all of these shells, and then at the end I'll show you how to finish your last tie here. So this is all repeat. On the other side you can do your chain 50, and then when you come back around you'll do the same thing where you'll just slip stitch each stitch until you get back to that beginning. And then continue that all the way down until you get to the start. Now you're at the end here. All you need to do is just slip stitch, and then you can pull through. So yarn over and pull through, cut your yarn, and then you can take your yarn needle and weave in these ends. You're just going to weave them in on the back side a few times, and then cut your yarn. Do this for all your loose ends. I hope you enjoyed this crochet shell headband tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.